Hey, it's Paige. This is my Wizard 101, my characters. This is Paige Story. She's balanced. She's a level 14. Yay. This was my first one. Her name is Paige Starfire. She is a Grandmaster and she's Ice. Yay. My second one was Riley Blade. She's Storm. She's also a Grandmaster. And I have a Life Grandmaster. Her name is Paige Rainbow Flame. And I am working on Paige Shade. She is a level 35 Death. She's awesome. And I have a cute little noob, Paige Mythmancer. She's a level 1. Yay! But yep, those are my characters. Bye.